Versailles?
Yeah, I know Versailles.
Yeah, so we have something, but a little bit smaller in Slovenia, like close to Maribor.
Mm-hmm.
But
I
right
know
now, it's like corn growing in it.
it. Mm-hmm.
It's
Okay.
completely abandoned. So yeah, unfortunately.
But that is a sad, right? Have a little
Yeah.
Versailles in Slovenia. You could make a tourist point, you know. It's just like,
Yeah, exactly. But it's abandoned completely, and
yeah. Well, we don't want to know why. We can guess, but
yeah.
we know how Slovenia works around the land things. It's not very.
That was part of my studies, and I love to tell this to everyone because it's a really fun fact.
Mm-hmm.
So in the world, I mean, the castles and palace always represented like higher level,
Mm-hmm.
um, like rich people and like queens and kings and stuff. And in the Second World War, actually, the soldiers burned most of the Slovenian castles, and they never reconstructed them back because they represent like free Slovenia, like a land free of kings
Oh.
and people who want to own us.
Mm-hmm.
So they basically left the half-burned castles everywhere, just to remind us of that we were always under like Austria and under Italy and under everyone else, and that now it's the time for free Slovenia. Yeah.
All right, didn't know that because there's really a lot of castles in
Yeah.
Slovenia. It's like one of the, I think there there is some measurement and I forgot it, but I think the most castles per some land
Yeah.
bigger. I don't know. I would just invent. I mean, probably lie here, but per square kilometer we have the most castles.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah.
I think in Europe, but most
Yeah.
of them, like you said, are you know ruined, so to speak.
Yeah.
All right, didn't know that we have a little Versailles in Slovenia. That's cool.
Yeah.
Or
It's pretty cool.
but now it's current growing, which is good, right? At least.
That's still on my life to-do list to
Okay.
actually do the reconstruction of it
All
so
right.
that it happens.
All right. That's cool, right?
Yeah.
By when?
2080.
2080. All right. I will be 94.
And I'll be 90.
Which will be
Yeah.
like, okay, cool. I will still be
We're-
alive for another 40 years.
And
So I
we'll
guess,
drink
you know.
champagne in our Baroque garden.
Okay, cool. I will be still alive for another 40 years, so we will have plenty of time to visit that garden.
Yeah, exactly.